This is a really quick project for today, and the goal is to be able to use this mini skid steer to move empty trailers around inside the barn. And so basically what I'm going to do is attach a hitch ball and mount to this bucket. Now I know they make products to directly mount a hitch ball mount to the skid steer, but this would be even faster if I didn't have to remove the bucket. Now this is a Wolverine 4-in-1 bucket, so that top part does articulate, and the plan is that articulating part will clamp down on some plate steel, and welded to that plate steel will be the ball mount. This is basically just a quick project, and I'm doing it all just with scrap steel and some surplus parts. So I found that this works pretty well. The agility of the skid steer is really beneficial. It really makes it easy to maneuver the trailers around. Now this 24-foot enclosed trailer, it's about the limit. Whatever the tongue weight is on it is about the limit of what can be moved around with this mini skid steer. And the issue is not the hydraulic power. It's got plenty of power to lift the tongue weight. The issue is the balance of the machine. It starts lifting up the back. So this bigger trailer, it's able to do it. With the smaller trailers, it does it really with ease. It's actually really easy to move the smaller trailers around. Even this airboat trailer, whatever the tongue weight is on this, it lifts it and maneuvers it no problem at all. That's it. See ya.